Hello guys, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall or delete a program from your computer. In our uses, we install many softwares, but at times we don't know how to delete them. This is a must-watch video for someone who wants to learn how to uninstall a program from a computer permanently. So what you're going to do, you go to your search here, as you're seeing, then here on search, you type in settings. So when you type in settings, you click on it. When you click on settings, it's going to display this interface. So you're going to go where there is apps. So when you click on apps, it will display the apps and future section. So under here, we are going to see all the various applications and softwares that you installed on your computer. So in case let's say I want to uninstall, I just click on the application, then I go ahead and click what? Uninstall. So when I click on uninstall, it will be removing that application permanently from your computer. So method 2, then you type in control panel. So when you type in control panel, it appears up here, then you click on it. It will display this interface. Then you go where there is programs, so you click there on programs. So when you click on programs, it's going to display a list of programs that you installed on your computer. So still, if you want to delete any program on your computer, you simply select it. Let me try to get here one program such that, okay, if I want to delete this, you simply select it, double click on it, then do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device, uninstall or change an application? If you want to uninstall, you click yes. So keep web production, just uninstall. So I want to uninstall. So you have successfully installed Web Advisor. So it has been successfully installed. So guys, that's how you're able to install a program from Windows 10 permanently.